Your wheel bearing check. Oh. Unscrew our cap, just bent it. You're gonna need, it's not 19 for your brake caliper, and you're gonna need an 18 millimeter. Go ahead and set this brake caliper to the side and go ahead and remove your brake pads. And we're gonna remove this bracket back here so we get this whole thing off this rotor. And then we're gonna get this T. All right, go ahead and take that caliper bracket off. Make sure you put your bolts back in the right spots. And next, we're gonna get this Torx out. Make sure you have your crowbar so it won't rotate. Spray your PB blaster on the back of these studs. Okay, here's your wheel speed sensor in between here. It's nice and dirty. Go ahead and unplug your speed sensor. So we go ahead and remove. You want to go ahead and take your 15 and take these 3 bolts out for your hub assembly. So go ahead and take that out. Got new versus old. Oh, nice. Now it's time to go ahead and slide this hub assembly in. After going ahead and getting this nice and tight, getting the hub nice and tight, I'm gonna go ahead and route our speed sensor and go ahead and plug it in. And put this brake caliper on. You wanna go ahead and get your caliper and put it on your bracket. Got everything nice and secured now. Everything put back on right. Go ahead and put your wheel back on. Put your little nut back in. I'm about to go ahead and plug this OBD2 scanner up. All right, moment of truth. Go ahead and crank it up. See if any of the lights pop off. They do. You got it back up and running, y'all. Back from a long test drive. We're doing pretty good. No check engine light.